There's the Wild Badger blower and trimmer, 20-volt battery, double stuff, best budget right here. Comes neatly packed. As you guys can see, the shipping is fast. The price is amazing. Check in the link in the description. I'm going to show you how to put this together and how to use it. So if you look right here, we have the leaf blower. We have 2 batteries with a charger. 1 battery is for the leaf blower, 1 is for the weed whacker or weed trimmer, whatever you call. The only thing we have to do is screw on the handle, which will take about 30 seconds, and then put on that piece in the front, which is very easy. These batteries are good because it tells you right here, if you push that red button right there, it tells you how much more bar the battery has, which is awesome. The leaf blower, everything is already connected. Just put in your battery. That works. Look like we got some string right here too. So this is really good if you have like, you know, if you have like back problem or you can't lift heavy stuff. This is lightweight and it works for everyone. It charges really fast. All right, so with the handle piece, you just screw this part out and then place your handle in there. Just like that, and then you screw it on. With the leaf blower, you just have to put the battery in. It's really light, and there's a button right here, and whoa, so this is 20 volt, and it's actually decent. So we got some leaves right here, look. See that? So this gauge piece, the guard piece, you just pushed it in, and it has about, comes with 3 screws. You just need to screw in the 3 screw and squeeze the 2 sides. You could adjust the height of the head, depends if you're cutting in hill or wherever you're cutting in. So when you squeeze the 2 sides, you pop this out. You could expand, make sure cut it so it doesn't end up hitting the guard. You could cut it using this piece right here. This piece will cut it, and then kindly just pop this back right in there. Overall review on this, it's definitely good for a smaller yard. If you got a big yard, do not I would not recommend this for a big yard, an acre plus, nope. But a small yard, front yard, backyard, this will get your job done right. It will get it done fast. And then with 2 batteries, a charger, a leaf blower, plus a weed whacker or a weed stringer, whatever you want to call it. For more details and price, check in the description box. I have a link and more description there. Get subscribed for more upcoming videos. Product Zone, it's all about Amazon product, and I try to give you guys the best. So don't forget to smash that subscribe. Get your hand on this Badger.